Welcome to From Schematic to Prototype, a beginner's circuit guide. We'll explore the path from a theoretical circuit design to a functional physical prototype. Schematics are logic maps showing electrical connections, not physical layouts. Focus on the nodes, which are the connection points between components. Basic components include the battery as the pump, the resistor for slowdown, the LED as the light, and ground as the return path. Understanding these analogies is key. Our goal is to build a simple LED circuit. In doing so, we will learn about polarity, current limits, and creating a closed loop. LEDs have polarity, meaning current must flow in one direction. The long leg is the anode, or positive side, and the short leg is the cathode, or negative side. Ohm's law voltage equals current times resistance. Resistors are essential for slowing the current and protecting components like the LED from too much power. Breadboards allow you to link components without soldering. The side rails provide vertical power, and the middle rows create horizontal component links. Step 1. Power the side rails by connecting your battery. Step 2. Bridge the gap between the power rail and the middle row with your resistor. Step 3. Insert the LED, ensuring the long leg is connected to the resistor's row. Step 4. Complete the loop by connecting the LED's short leg to the ground rail. Troubleshooting common issues. If there is no light, check the LED's polarity, or if the component is in the wrong hole. If you hear a pop, you likely forgot the resistor. Always avoid short circuits. Never connect the positive power supply directly to the negative ground, without components in between. This is dangerous for your power source. Circuits expand from static components to adding control, timing, and ultimately intelligence. Continue to expand your circuit block by block. Your prototyping journey moves from testing on a breadboard to soldering on a perf board, and finally, to manufacturing a professional printed circuit board, or PCB. Analyze, gather, assemble, test, and iterate. By following these steps, you build a foundation for understanding and creating new technology.